Hi everyone, it is Summer with AstariaSen, and I am doing the 12 crafts of Yule for 2019. If you are just joining in, it doesn't matter if it's day 11 or if it's day 5. Please feel free to look back among the videos. There's lots of different things that I'm doing. They're all going to be simple crafts, mainly stuff that you can find around the house or cheap crafts. I get most of my materials at the dollar store or just found items or even thrift store type stuff. So the idea is to give you guys a craft you can do yourselves for gifts, for tree decorations, for altars, whatever kind of thing you want to do. And I'm leaving it open to interpretation so you guys can kind of just do it however you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. All right, so we have the imbuing station done now. The glue took a little bit longer than I anticipated to dry, so some of those parts that have long extended periods where I'm just holding it, that's what I'm trying to do, is make the glue stick. I did add some extra decorations on this one. I'll bet you can't guess that it's glitter, but I'll also bet you can't guess where I put it either. I will show you in just a moment. I did want to tell you guys that you're not limited to the way that I made this. If you don't like moss and you want to decorate it with something else like dirt or leaves or anything like that, that would work as well. And you also don't have to wood burn. You can use a piece of paper or a cardstock piece of paper and just write out your word that you want up there. Charging station, imbuing, infusing, healing, whatever you want. And you can make this little tiny station for that. And this is a small station. It's not a big station. It looked big in the camera, but it's really not that big. So here is my final product. I'm going to hopefully back up far enough that you guys can see it. Oh yeah. I love this thing. This is so gorgeous. Like, it turned out so well. It did. And I believe the back is just as important as the front. So you can see where I added the glitter, and it's just the normal, it's my glitter paint that I like using right here, okay? And I have that in all different colors. I got it in greens, I got it in blues, but I thought it would look really pretty in the clear one, the iridescent. And so I put glitter all the way around this, all the way around this, all the way up on both sides of this. And then just a tiny bit around the edges of this, along with some crystals. I put amethyst, quartz, and rose because this station is going to be my station, and I want it to amplify love, understanding, and just amplify anything that, like a crystal that I want to put on there, an oil I want to put on there, anything like that. And when I say this is not very big, I mean it is really not very big. This is one of those little tiny jars. It's like not even as big as my finger kind of jar. And that's how big this small this actually is. It's just a tiny charging station. You couldn't put a giant thing up on it. But anyways, you're more than welcome to put anything on here. I mean, you can wrap this in twine. You can paint it if you want. You don't have to leave it as natural looking as I have it if you don't want to. You can even make them to match each Yule if you wanted, or you can make them to match whatever kind of altar that you're doing, or your friends. See, that's the point of the whole Yule gifts, is that it's friend related, and it's easy gifts that you can make that look amazing. And you can tell that I put the time into this. This thing took me maybe 20-30 minutes max to make altogether. That includes dry time. So really, that's not that much time on your end, and it's maximum effort here for a gift, and it's so pretty. And there are so many other things that you could do. You don't even have to use the wood pieces. You can make it out of just about anything, including plastic, as long as you cover it up and make it look pretty. So anyways, I hope you guys are still enjoying this series, and I will see you again for the next craft session. Have a great day.